premium electrical test kit from Klein, right? So we got non-contact voltage, and then we have the Klein Tools. It says it's for GFI on the back here, right? Let's see here. The rt250 LCD readout of voltage and wiring faults. Inspect and check GFI devices, including time to trip the breaker. Defect and identify common wiring faults and test wiring condition in electrical outlets, right? Test sockets and things. And then we have the basic pin tester, and this is the NCV 3P voltage tester and flashlight. Just for, if you need to rewire something or see if something's live, or we'll open it in the style that we always do, weird scissors. Uh-oh, did we get a sticker? All right, it has a sticker on the front there. So now we have our light and our pin. So if you'll bear with me, I need to put the batteries in here. See, it has a screw in the back. And I believe this one has, I guess this just comes open like this. Yep, that's pretty much it. All right. So anyhow, fire this puppy up. Now I got to figure out which way the battery goes. It says right here on the side which way the battery goes. Warning before using. Test on known live circuit and read instructions. Category 4, 1000 volts. I guess that's DC current only. Let's see. You got AC and DC for all you people who are into that kind of stuff. This only does the residential, I believe. I don't know. We might pick up something in there. Okay, we got... Uh-oh, we got the lights on. Click it once. Let's see. Okay, so the light works. That's cool. There we go. We got a green. Okay, so you got 12 to 1000 volts and 70 to 1000 volts. And it even shows the battery indicator, even gives you low battery indication. So if the battery's low, this thing right here will flash probably. But we do have a flashlight. And we do have and if you want to go, say, so we got to push the button, it comes on. When you push the NCV button right there, push it, hold it to turn it off. See? There we go. Light is green. You want to turn it off? Just hold the button in. So push the button on. Light comes on, or you want to switch modes. If you want to switch modes, push it again. So you can just switch modes. 12 to 20, 12 or 70. If you're into that big stuff. Sensitivity ranges. Okay, 12 or 70. All right. So you can put it on that low stuff. Right there. There we go. And then I believe it actually should turn off by itself. And a lot of people don't know how to put the batteries in this, so we're going to show you. It's got a little screw on the back. It's got a little thing right there. There it is. There's the housing. I mean, you'd be surprised. A lot of people who claim to be electricians, I've seen them like, how do you put the light off on here? I was like, oh, God. Shows you which way to put the batteries. There you go. One goes one way, one goes the other way. And you put the cap back on with your special free 6-in-1 or 2, 4, 6. Yeah, I think it's a 6-in-1. Your little free 6-in-1 you got from Harbor Freight. All right. Turn it on. There it is, open and hot. Let's see what we got here. All right. The right button says press to reset. Okay, we got the lights on. You seen the lights come on, right? No way, no. For all you people who speak Española. One side's green, see it? You plug this in to check your... This side's green, right? Means, oh, you good to go, Jose, senor. This side is, oh, no, bueno. Alto. Right? Stop, and that stop. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So we have, I thought this case would be bigger, so let's see how it works in the case. Put your tester in here. I guess this goes over here, maybe? Yeah, because look, it's got two little holes. Oh, it just got one, okay. Wait a minute. So this thing fits on this one. And just... Hang on, kids. I think it goes this way. Tucks down here like this, maybe. There you go, kids. Test both of them. Boom. Okay. Hey, that works good for me. Look at this. The basic outlet tester. There's your GFI. There's the Klein tester. There's the circuit sniffer, and then I have my Ning pen. My Ning pen fits in here pretty good too. Fits in this nice, wonderful package just like that. Anyway, I'm Glenn Monroe, the Roman Gnome, VRCM Skywarn Exmo, Central United States region. Thank you for joining me, and yeah, y'all leave a comment, subscribe, and all that other good stuff.